This is International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of speaking of student. This is examiner Arvinder Singh going to conduct speaking of Ramandeep Kaur with candidate number 110615. Okay, Ramandeep, first of all, please introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Ramandeep Kaur. I was born in 25th April 1991 in Punjab, which is a big state in India. My father's name is Jyot Singh and my mother's name is Paramjit Kaur. My mother is usually a housemaker and father is a working man. I had completed my study in post-graduation in economics in 2015.
Okay. Tell me something about your college or university.
Well, I had completed my study as I told you in 2015. Which the name of the college is GCG, which is called Government College for Women. And another study, which is my bachelor education. The short form is that B.Ed, which I done from GHG Khalsa College from Sudhar.
Okay. What do you like the most in your college?
Well, there are a lot of things which I like the most. The facilities and the faculty members, which are very cooperative and very well educated as well.
Alright. Would you like to make any change or improvement in your college?
Well, I think there is some problem in infrastructure because sometimes students suffer because the sitting arrangement is not properly well. That thing I would like to change in my college.
Right. How your college is different from other colleges of?
I think all colleges has main purpose to give education, but there is a difference between my college between other colleges that the faculty member is well educated. All the teachers are PhD level teachers. That thing I think is separate. Another thing is that the teachers are very cooperative with students.
Alright. Okay. Let's talk about advertisements a little bit. Do you like advertisements?
Yes, of course, because it gives a lot of information about the newly and branded product which was launched in recent time. So it is very valuable.
Right. What kind of products are advertised on TV these days?
Well, everything is advertised on TV and on social media, especially on the electronic appliances. And the other thing, the insurance advertisement are very common to see in TVs.
Do you think people pay attention to these advertisements?
Yes, of course. It is very helpful for him or everyone because it gives a lot of information. Because according to me, if I am not a good reader. So through advertisement, I get information which will helpful in our future or in daily life.
Which age group people do you think pay more attention towards advertisements and why?
Sorry to interrupt. According to me, the middle-aged and the aged people are more keen interested to see advertisement because they have a lot of time. Seeing these advertisements, they think they use the time very productively.
Alright. Is it important to regulate the advertisements?
No, I don't think so. It is not necessary as well because everyone is aware of the things they need. They need they need which things they go to the market and do and purchase that things.
Alright. Okay, let's move towards part 2, that is QQ card. Alright, and QQ card is, okay, talk about the time when you ate a kind of food for the first time. That is QQ card. You have 1 minute to prepare for it and you have to deliver it for 2 minutes. Time for preparation starts. start?
I was very fond of eating. My mother cooked very delicious dishes for me because she know I was fond of different dishes. But here I would like to talk about a dish which is from Punjabi culture. The name of the dish is Makki di roti and sarson da saag, which was famous in northern India. The dish was prepared from spinach and the corn flour mixed with it. The nutrition value of this dish is very good because it contains vitamins and minerals and also a carbohydrate rich in food. My mother usually cook this dish in winter season, but in past 2 weeks my mother cooked this dish for me because my friend are coming my home. They wanted to make a unique dish for him. So I also tasted it. After tasting it, it was give me really a unique and fabulous taste to me, which make me a mouthful of water. I liked it very much because it is a cultural dish as well, or it has a nutrition value very much. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Do you think people of your country are health conscious?
Yes, of course. Nowadays, people are very conscious about their health. They usually opt these kinds of dishes which are low in calories.
Okay. What kind of food items are popular in your country?
Well, I am residing in northern side of India. Mostly in Punjab, people prefer to eat homemade food, the pulses, the vegetables, etc. But if we talk about southeast or south side of the India, there are variety of dishes are prepared in South Indian. For example, the biryanis and the fish with rice. So there are a lot of variety in India.
Okay. Why people eat fast food these days?
It is very healthy. It is not very healthy, I know, but it gives me a unique taste. And sometimes by taking young food, as we call fast food, because it is very easily to cook and do not have much time to prepare it. That is why people prefer to eat junk food.
Okay. How fast food affects our health?
It affects a lot. Some children may get obesity, and sometimes people got food poisoning also. And if your other negative effect of the young food is that people are very addicted to this. So it totally harmful or a cultural and traditional dishes of the place.
Okay. How we can improve our eating habits?
Well, according to me, if in school level, teacher fix a timetable of their food, and if we talk about in our home, there should be a 1 day a week parents allow to children to eat junk food. Otherwise, homemade food is served to all children and their adult.
Alright, okay.